Most people think every tornado comes from a giant thunderstorm, but that's not always true. Meet the Landspout, a rare type of tornado that forms differently from the powerful twisters you usually see on the news. Unlike classic tornadoes, a landspout develops from the ground upward, often before a storm fully matures. It can appear suddenly, stretching into the sky like a spinning rope of dust. Don't let its smaller size fool you. A landspout can still rip off roofs, knock down trees, flip vehicles, and send debris flying. They may be less powerful than the strongest tornadoes, but if you ever see one forming, stay indoors and move to the lowest level of a sturdy building.